Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sync Exodus wallet to your desktop or MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sync your Exodus wallet to your desktop or MacBook, all you need to do is simply open your Exodus wallet account and simply tap on devices. So once you have tapped on devices, you can find the sync devices. So simply tap on sync. After you do this, you need to unlock your wallet by typing in your password. So once you're done, you need to hit the unlock now option, and there you can find a QR code option. So you need to allow it, and once you have allowed the access to camera, you can see your QR code, or you can even scan your QR code by the help of the camera provided in your desktop or MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.